What was that the sound of?
Ferrari 450.
Okay.
Italia, but I made a new one up that's called Ferrari Italia. I made a new one up called Ferrari Italia Turismo Super Sport. It's just a little bit lower to the ground.
Okay.
But that still makes the same sound.
Okay.
So, goodbye.
Oh no, I want to hear the radar station. You said you were going to build a radar station. What's it going to sound like?
Dun, 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 dun.
And what do blasters sound like? Because I can't make that one. Cool. What about trains? MARTA train.
I can't make that anymore.
When the doors... Okay, what about regular trains? Or a different car?
I'm not sure. I gotta check on the radar ship. Bye.
Okay, bye.